Hello YouTubers, this is Sirius Monkey. I've been gaming on the PS4 Pro for 2 years, and it has been performing well. Except for graphically demanding video games, like for instance Call of Duty Modern Warfare, where the fan noise is so loud that I worry my console might stop working. When you're in the menu, the PlayStation is quiet. It's approximately 14 decibel. When you start the game, it gradually goes up to more or less 45 decibel. Recently, I found out an easy trick to silence the PS4 Pro. So to show you the difference between before and after using the trick, I've recorded the fan noise with a Sound Meter app. This is no scientific test, but it gives you an idea of how fast the fan spins. My voice is recorded separately, so it doesn't interfere with the Sound Meter app. Now, as soon as you enter the multiplayer menu, the fan starts spinning super fast, reaching up to 60 decibel. It almost sounds like a jet engine. Listen. Closing the app brings the fan noise down. The fan gradually stops spinning and the PlayStation is quiet again, back at 14 decibel. So, here comes the trick. You need to have a second device connected to your TV or monitor. In my case, I have a PC connected to the same monitor as the PS4. Now, I'm gonna change the source to the PC. And I'm going to activate the picture-in-picture mode. As you can see, the PS4 Pro is now displayed on the bottom right corner. And what you want to do now is start the game inside the PIP mode. Once the game has started, you can turn off the PIP mode and switch the source back to the PS4. As you can see, the PS4 is quiet. The noise level stayed at 14 dB even after starting the game or entering the multiplayer mode. The fan doesn't start spinning as fast as before. There is a catch, however. You cannot see it in this video, but by starting the game in the PIP mode, the graphics are a bit lower. At least your PS4 Pro won't overheat any moment. I've tried this with Pro Evolution Soccer 2020 and it worked as well. If this applies to any other game, feel free to share it in the comment section. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.